Now, last but not least, yes, I said it, we'll have Jrny with Vince and Nick, and I will have to point out that Nick is also one of the gym bros.
Sometimes. Not as big as Rick, though.
Very important.
Hey, as Joel said, I'm Nick. I'm one of the co-founders at Jrny.
And I'm Vince. I'm the other co-founder. We both absolutely hate renting. That's why we're on a journey to make homeownership possible for our generation. As you guys know, homeownership is a generational problem affecting millions of young adults. Just look at the screen for some of the things that people are saying online. The situation's gotten so bad that home prices relative to income have doubled in the last 30 years, while ownership rates for young adults has plummeted from above 60% to below 30% today. We're solving this by creating a new system that gives you the perks of owning with the flexibility of renting, and we're going to tell you how this works. Step 1, you find your dream home and make a 2% contribution towards moving in. This counts towards your future deposit. Step 2, each year with Jrny, you buy 1% equity in the home at a fixed price until after 8 years, you have a 10% stake in your home. Here's where it gets exciting. Any time after year 2, you can use that 10% to get a mortgage and buy the home outright and become a homeowner, or cash it out at full value without a penalty and build wealth just by renting. Our system works by connecting you with our institutional investors in a model where both sides win. You get to lock in your dream home immediately, you get a higher buying budget than with a traditional mortgage, and you get to build wealth through renting. They get scalable exposure to an attractive asset class with better underlying economics than normal buy-to-let investments and proprietary data insights thanks to the numerous interactions that we have with our customers.
And we're planning to address a massively underserved market of 1.8 million households all throughout the UK that are currently trapped in a perpetual rental cycle that just want to own a home, but by virtue of a broken mortgage system, they can't. Now, these households represent 18 billion pounds of annual recurring rent that's being paid to landlords that's not generating anything for them. There's a better way to do this, and we at Jrny can offer a better way, and we want to capture all of that. And since we've launched this about 8 months ago, we've received a massive outpouring of customer traction and support. We've had 220 million pounds worth of customer pipeline demand. We've signed channel partnerships with key industry stakeholders, and we've received funding. We are Tennity's first follow-on investment, and they joined Core Angels, Jensen, and a global family office in our cap stack. And who are we? As Vince says, we're people that hate renting. And Jrny was really born out of all the frustrations that Vince and I came across when we were trying to buy our first home. We haven't done it yet. And this sentiment is shared by the rest of our team, and we're supported by a great senior advisor that's helping us build and implement our vision. And our vision is simple. We want a new model for housing that works for multiple generations, not just ours, but all the ones to come. And the way we're going about this is that we're launching our beta home pilot purchase program. We're scaling up with great investment partners, allowing us to position ourselves as the #1 alternative for mortgages, and finally, allowing us to revamp housing. So if you're interested in joining the journey to change how housing works, then we'd love to speak to you. Get in touch with us today and check out our new website. Thank you very much. Also, it's not very often you can see your mom and dad in the audience, so thanks for coming, Mom and Dad. Love you both.